Okay guys, there is no on this video. Yes, so in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can do what? Save your WhatsApp number automatically. You don't need to save the numbers yourself. This stuff is actually very important to those who is actually running WhatsApp TV. Do you understand? Or those who is running ad just to increase their status views. So coming to my phone screen now, all these numbers that you are seeing that is like this number that you are seeing that is like this, they are saved automatically. I am not the one that saved the number myself. All this contact that is showing something like this, that is showing something like word W52, these numbers actually saved by themselves, and I'm going to show you how you can actually do that on your Android smartphone. And this tutorial is applicable to any Android phone you are using. Do you understand? Now, so this is how to do that. Once you are running, or once you have a lot of traffic on your WhatsApp account and you are finding it difficult to like save the contacts you are getting on daily basis, you don't need to worry. I'm a WhatsApp I run WhatsApp TV, and I know how stressful it can actually be when you place ad and you have to save all those contacts you are getting one by each. The stress is not here, but don't worry, in this video I'm going to break everything down for you. So if you should come over to my phone screen, you are seeing this stuff here that says what? WhatsApp autosaver. So I'm going to teach you how to use this WhatsApp autosaver. So all you have to do is just to click on it. So once you click on it, can you see these are the numbers that you are seeing on my WhatsApp chat? Are you seeing this number? These numbers are saved automatically. Now this is what I do. Once I open this app, you need to link the app up. You can use your phone number, you can use the email you are using on your WhatsApp to link it up. So once you link it up, this part that says group here, that says group, this is where you will put in the initial number. Sorry, this is where you need to put in the initial name you would want this contact to save your new contact. Once you send hi to them, automatically it will be saved. Do you understand? And as you can see, when I said this stuff, I did not have any number saved here, but this app has helped me to save 52 contacts here. And now why all these names are showing here, is because that is the initial name I use. So if you should look here, what I use is word W. What it simply means is worldwide, because the name of my WhatsApp TV is Worldwide TV. You understand? So this is abbreviation of worldwide. So if any new contact should come straight to this particular phone that I'm using to run my WhatsApp TV, automatically this app is going to save it for me with worldwide. Then all this number you are seeing here is, if it is the first one, you will see worldwide one. So that's what it will use to differentiate it. So as you can see, here is worldwide one, here is worldwide one, here is worldwide two, here is worldwide three, this is four. See, even if it is up to 1000 contacts, what you will see here is 1000 to show you the amount of number it has saved. And this app too will help you to calculate the amount of audience or the new contact you've gotten through a particular advert you place. So guys, all you need to do is just to come up to this app, set it up, and you are good to go. Set your now. Okay, let me teach you how to do this stuff. So let's assume you want to add another name. So you have to click here. Then once you click here, you select the name you want to use. Let's assume that this time around I want to use WWTV. Can you see that's worldwide TV? Then I have to click on done. Once you click on done, the name will appear here. Then if you want to select this now as your default saving settings, you have to tap on it. So once you tap on it, you select it to what? Select as default group. So if you select it as default group, automatically now the good that is here has left this place to this place. So if any contact should come now, it will be saved as WWTV1, WWTV2, WWTV3. So that's just how it will go. But for now, I think I prefer using this. So let me keep it back on this place. So this is just how you can actually do that. And if you need this app, let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely going to make the app available for you. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel, turn on notification sign so you don't miss anything, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.